Meaning of injection-molded.
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 Injection-molded. Injection-molded refers to a manufacturing process where melted material is injected into a mold or cavity to create a solidified object. This process is commonly used in the production of plastic goods, such as toys, packaging, and automotive parts. The process involves several steps, including the creation of a mold, the heating of the material, and the injection of the material into the mold. The result is a high-quality, low-cost product that is durable, precise in shape and size, and can be produced on a large scale. This process has revolutionized the production of plastic goods and has become a staple in modern manufacturing.